Assalamu alaikum. I am Aliza Saidam. The topic of my presentation, fireproof finishing in textile, presented to Dr. Hamad Majid. Introduction. Fire is a significant hazard in textile application, especially in household, industrial, and protective clothing sector. Flame retardant finishes are applied to textile to reduce their flammability, delay ignition, and slow down the spread of fire. Flame retardant work by interfering with the combustion process in the solid, liquid, or gas phase, depending on their chemical nature. Textile commonly treated. Cotton, polyester blends. Cotton highly flammable, polyester nylon, thermoplastic, melt tripping. Blend cotton polyester. Mechanism of flame retardant action. Flame retardant operate through several mechanisms. Condensed phase mechanism promote char formation on the fabric surface, create a barrier that slow down heat transfer and oxygen access, common in phosphorus-based compound. Gas phase mechanism release non-flammable gases like carbon dioxide, ammonia, water to dilute oxygen and combustible gases. Interrupt the radical chain reaction in the flame, typical in halogen-based flame retardant. Endothermic reaction: absorb heat by decomposition, release water in aluminum hydroxide to cool the substrate and dilute combustible gases. Chemical reaction and example: phosphorus-based flame retardant durable for cotton. Example: tetrahydroxymethyl phosphonium chloride reaction. Tetrahydroxymethyl phosphonium chloride react with urea to produce tetrahydroxy phosphonium chloride and urea resin in the presence of heat. Durable finishes. These resins are occurred on the fabric at high temperature, creating cross-linked networks that form a carbon-rich gel when heated. Nitrogen-based flame retardant release inert gases, nitrogen and ammonia, often combined with phosphorus synergistic effect. Example: ammonium polyphosphate. Halogenated compound, older technology. Example: decabromodiphenyl ether work in the gas phase by releasing chromium radicals that interrupt the combustion change reaction. Ban restricted due to toxicity and environmental persistence. Application sector: home textile application, curtains and carpet, apparel, firefighter suit, military uniform, transport, aircraft, trains and car interiors, industrial, welding protections, electrical insulation. Future recommendations: environmentally friendly flame retardant, halogen free system, phosphorus nitrogen blends, bio-based retardant from plant source, fatty acid retardant, nano-flame retardant, layered silicates, graphene oxide, durability improvement, develop finishes that resist multiple washes, graphiting techniques, chemical bonding to fiber, smart textile, flame retardancy combined with other functions, thermal sensing, self-healing UV protection, regulatory compliance, meet REACH EPA standards, avoid endocrine disruptors and resistant pollutants. Conclusion: flame retardant finishes is a critical technology in textile chemistry for enhancing safety and supporting the functional use of fabrics. While traditional chemistries, halogen phosphorus, have proven effective, modern challenges demand eco-friendly, non-toxic and durable alternatives. Advances in nanotechnology, green chemistry and functional hybrid material are paving the way for the next generation of high-performance, sustainable flame retardant textiles. Thank you.